Here is, amongst others, a wind graph from this flight. And as you see, the wind was quite strong all the time, really. But at the red line, it's 13 meters per second. At the end, you can see that I'm holding the left stick down, but nothing happens. The drone simply will not descend further. Let's look at the live flight log from FlightReader. From this point, I start the ActiveTrack Auto. I find it interesting to see the track that the ActiveTrack Auto makes. You can see the screen footage from the same track and also showing what the different moves are. I will put a link in the description. The wind is getting heavier, so I cancel the ActiveTrack now and decide to land. Trying to protect the drone from the wind, getting it behind some rock formation, and hope that I'm able to land it now. Something that proves difficult due to the strong wind. Look at the VPS height and you can see that I'm holding the left stick down. It really doesn't do anything, and as you see, the drone is at a quite large angle. Trying to let it land in my hand, it doesn't work, but it also not avoid my hand. So I end sneaking up, grabbing hold of it and keep on holding down, and then finally it says confirm landing. You can also see the same in polar graph from FRAP, what I'm trying to do, and you can also clearly easily see the angle that the drone is in, and also that I'm holding the left hand stick down.